population can be modeled by the exponential function 13,000, the Euler exponent 0.2129 times t. All right, so we know that an exponential function with a continuous growth is of the form a is equal to the Euler kt, right? So k is the rate. All right, so our k is the continuous growth rate. Now this is a continuous growth because this number is positive. Is that okay? So what is the continuous growth rate per year? So 0.2129 is our continuous growth. Now we change this to a percent by multiplying by 100. Okay, so this will be 21.29%. Okay, and that is for A. Okay, now for B, what is the annual growth rate? And we want the not continuous form. All right, and this is the not continuous form basically. All right, now to transform from this continuous equation to the not continuous form, what you do is you have to use the Euler exponent k is equal to 1 plus your r. Now E and your k is given as 0.2129 is equal to 1 plus your r. So let's compute that. So E exponent 0.2129 will give you 1 point, let's do 4 places, 1.237 3, okay, is equal to 1 plus your r. Now for B, we want the r, okay? So if you want the r, we subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. So take 1 from that, and that will give you 0.2373. Is that okay, as your r? Now change this to a percent by multiplying by 100, and that gives you 23.73, okay, percent. And that answers the B part of the problem. Are we good? All right, nice. Now let's go to the C part. Now the C part of this problem, we've done most of the work for the C part. All right, now here, the C part, we want P is equal to the initial 1 plus R. Now we have already found 1 plus R here. Okay, so what we can do is that our P is equal to the initial has already been given in the problem as 13,000. Is that okay? Now in place of 1 plus R, why don't we substitute 1 plus R here? Okay, so 1 plus R is equal to 1.2373. So we're going to, in place of that, we're going to do 1.2373, and that is exponent t. Okay, so now let's go into the options and see which of these options, okay, represent the right answer over here. So we notice that this is not correct. This is not correct. Is that okay? And this is not correct either. And D is the most appropriate option. Okay, why are we saying that? Because if you want to simplify what is in the parentheses, we are going to get back this. Okay, so we have P, let me espouse on that, 13,000. And this is 1 plus, let's change that percent to a decimal. And that will be what, 0.2373. Okay, so P is equal to 13,000, 1.2373. Isn't it the same as this guy? So that's what we're saying, that our answer is what? Is D. Is that okay? Now for the D part of the problem, how many people will there be after 8 years? Now you can use this equation you can use this equation by plugging in your t is equal to 8, or you can use the original equation. Either way, you should get the same answer. Is that okay? So plug in your t to be equal to 8, and that should give you that. That's your final answer. All right. So thanks very much, and let me know if you have questions. Have a good day. Bye.